It says right there that the white foam block looks so clean and neat, and it gives you that real brick-like feel. It's fully embossed, and it's made from a thick, soft, cushioned material.
I went to a gallery just recently. There was a really expensive piece, and next to it were bricks. Do you know what they were? Well, Youngchan covered them all with foam blocks. They had to look like bricks to protect the product.
Because it really looks like bricks. And ma'am, will it stick to silk wallpaper? Regular wallpaper is a given, of course. Yes.
No need to peel it off.
You
can just stick it right on top, even on tiles. If your bathroom tile is broken, you can stick it on. It works on wooden built-in closets. Gypsum board is a given. If there's mold on your veranda's cement wall, wipe it clean, then it's perfect for the kids' playroom. It even sticks to metal doors. So if there's anywhere it doesn't stick, please let us know. Right, exactly.
What color would be good for it? And when I do my broadcast, white is always very popular because it makes things look
the best,
spacious and
isn't it?
clean. But a cold breeze is blowing in now.
Mocha brown, which reminds you of a warm cup of coffee, would also be a great option. And adding a bit more of a vibrant accent with oriental red would also be quite nice. For a lovely newlywed home or even for a child's room, pink would be perfectly fine. But if you take a look at stone beige and silver gray, you'll see that these truly have a very luxurious marble feel to them, don't they?
If I did it today, my friend Park Sang-cheol would definitely tell you to stick it. Would he have even mentioned foam block?
Right, so like this, foam blocks are prepared with the maximum area and number of sheets.
So far, there are actually companies that imitate.
You are absolutely right. But this sand block, it's truly something else. It's just phenomenal.
This 2017 new product, Youngchan only makes foam blocks.
In a square shape, all these engraved details are included. Feel this thick, bumpy texture as well. And how to attach it. It's so easy, right?
That's all.
You just peel it off like a sticker.
All you have to do is peel it off and stick it on. You know that wallpaper in our homes, all scribbled on and torn up from raising the kids? Just hold it next to the wall like this, then match it to eye level, and you're done. That's it. The interior effect is so simple, it looks like marble, and it's around 80,000 won. Today, we're giving you a maximum of 22 sheets covering the largest area.
These sand blocks are truly a favorite of mine. You can DIY them yourself, and they offer such a wonderful interior effect. And if you look closely at these sand blocks, you'll see there's also a white option. It's incredibly clean, isn't it? This really looks like something straight out of a high-end gallery. It's like a brand new house that's just been completed or a model home. And since the stone beige color is available, I think it would be perfect for autumn. Silver gray offers a slightly modern aesthetic, and we're adding a vibrant accent with oriental red. This oriental red, if you observe it closely, is crafted to appear as if water droplets have splashed, then beautifully diffused and spread across the surface.
Real marble.
Yes, these expert designers meticulously crafted all these color combinations. We want to emphasize that we didn't just carelessly select any random colors to create this.
So by doing it this way, with sand blocks in a gray color, when I completed it, it looks really fantastic, doesn't it?
It's not just us saying that it's good. So interior design. So many interior experts, even on television, have introduced Youngchan's foam blocks. Indeed.
We also have our blocks ready in this sand pattern right now.
This is a sand block Youngchan can only turn into foam blocks due to his skill.
This is perfectly formed into a square shape.
It looks like one marble was broken up.
It's got a raised and shaded texture. Just look at it now. This is the kind of tile. Exactly that feeling, right?
Oh my. My goodness. It looks
It's quite
incredibly
thick,
real.
then thick,
It's just like the real
this.
thing.
Even up close, it looks so natural and pretty, right? But what's even more surprising is, do I need to find
no
an
need for
expert?
adhesive. Just peel it off like a sticker and it sticks perfectly. With this.
No need for full makeup. You'll be presentable.
You don't need to replace all the torn wallpaper in your home. Just match it to the eye level where you want to stick it.
So by doing this,
And once you've matched it and given it a quick wipe, your home's wallpapering and marble work is done. It's all
If you stick
finished.
it wrong at first, you can peel it off and reapply it right away. As time goes on, the adhesive strength becomes much stronger. Isn't it great? I'd love to create an art wall like this on our home's wall. You can totally do it without spending a lot of money. You don't have to press it hard, fearing it might crease. It's a stiff material, so it adheres very well. You just need to firmly stick it on. This feeling. Oh, it's so luxurious. The color of this one right now is silver gray. And silver gray is beautiful, but we also have the stone beige color available for you.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's pretty. Women in their 40s and 50s, especially homemakers, love it most. Just recently, I went to a gallery and right by an expensive painting, this was.
you know this specific stone beige tone? Yes.
beige.
And then we also have this silver gray that I previously showed you.
This was from a Busan hotel.
Oh, this hotel is nice. We have an oriental red color available. And what I'm showing you on the outside right now, this one is white. Yes, up to the white color. This one too is likewise the most fundamental of all the basics, white. Many people really love white, and customers with our product, you can cover the maximum possible area. Among all the foam block products sold here at Home and Shopping, you can cover the absolute largest area.
Today, instead of 20 sheets, we're giving you 22. So we're strongly recommending you purchase it today.
Do you really think it's okay? If it wasn't good, would 70,000 people buy it again?
It's a repeat.
It's not something you consume and it's gone, is it? So why buy it again? Once you stick it up, you're done. Master bedroom, small room, living room, you put it everywhere. So 1 in 4 customers repurchases. How good must it be for them to buy it almost every single day? Try decorating your home beautifully. We'll help you.